så har vi gang i vores workshop. This scientific pitch her på Panum. Oh, we should do it in English.
Yeah, for saying.
We are doing the workshop here at Panum, University of Copenhagen Medical School for PhDs, and it's very exciting. It's a 3-hour workshop, and I have been presenting the speaking house, giving to them, and you have
the fear-free speaker system. The first part, actually, you can see it over here. The first part. F, feeling great on stage. Ego, being yourself, accepting that this is learning, and rehearsing, how to rehearse so your speech just kicks ass. This has been the 4 elements, and they have gotten a lot of practice time. Now, if we zoom out with the camera in a little bit, we can see they are preparing their talks.
And there's a very nice atmosphere, and we have had a great feedback already. So yeah, and we use this, and we use the speaking house that's over there, and we didn't use the fireplace.
No, we didn't. That's still to come up.
But it's
a
all
grateful
good.
audience.
It's
really,
all good. Yeah.
And they have to present in 2 weeks on all of them in conferences, so it's very grateful.
Yeah.
So they're very keen to learn. Smart people.
Smart people.
They're really
We have
learning
challenged
quickly.
them a lot, and they learn quick. So a good experience from it's a new product, the scientific pitch. We have built on top of the old product, the scientific pitch. So now we have we put the main storyline in. You can see that here. I don't know if I do it right, but on top of the speaking house, the main storyline that is proved by Kendall Haven that we remember and we understand in story frame, in story terms, and that's what we'll be teaching them now to deliver their PhD in story terms. Yes.
They are actually getting the whole package.
The whole package.
Asbjørn is the speaking house, very with a lot of technical things. How do you do? You have to pause and so on. You do that. With me, it's been more the personal thing because people have a lot of nerves. How to be confident on stage and really kick ass and be yourself, be relaxed. It's been a lot about that. And now we put in the storyline. So the scientific work they're doing becomes a story that people want to listen to, and then they get stage time, they get practice. So I think we kind of cover everything.
Yeah,
we're pretty good, aren't we?
And my arm is getting tired, so I will finish up with the view.
Look, there we have the big main hospital of Denmark, Copenhagen Rigshospitalet, and over here we have the other part of the city. You can see here, and the tower, the Mers Tower, is the new part of Panum, the University of Copenhagen Medical Institute. That's it. I will finish up. Take care and hang in there.
Bye.
Bye.